Hiive app. The pros, the cons. Hiive is a social investing platform that combines portfolio tracking with community insights. But does it deliver value for investors? Starting with the pros. First, social insights. Users can follow top investors, see trades, and learn from community strategies. Second, portfolio tracking. Hiive consolidates multiple brokerage accounts to provide a holistic investment view. Third, gamification. Features like badges and leaderboards make investing more engaging for younger users. Now, the cons. One limitation is trade execution. Hiive does not allow direct trading. You must use another brokerage to act on insights. Another drawback is reliability of community advice. Social investing can lead to herd behavior, which may increase risk if users follow trends blindly. The surprising truth? Many investors underestimate the value of community learning, and Hiive encourages education through observation before taking action. In conclusion, the pros: social learning, portfolio tracking, and gamification make Hiive great for learning and monitoring. The cons: no direct trading and potential herd behavior mean it's best used as a supplement to a primary brokerage.